ever dreamed of turning a small investment into a massive win? You see the stories all the time. Someone buys a silly named coin and a week later, they're set for life. Welcome to the wild, unpredictable, and incredibly exciting world of meme. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies that can help you navigate this crazy market and maybe, just maybe, become the next meme hero. This isn't just about luck. It's about smart moves, quick thinking, and having the right tools. So, what exactly is a meme? Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, these coins often start as a joke, inspired by internet memes and social media trends. They're community-driven, highly volatile, and their value can skyrocket or plummet in a matter of hours based on pure hype. Think of it as the ultimate high-risk, high-reward game in the crypto space. The key is understanding that you're not investing in a long-term project with a solid roadmap. You're betting on attention and momentum. Your first step is finding the right projects early. This is where the real magic happens. You need to be where the conversations are starting. That means diving into platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Look for projects with a rapidly growing, genuinely excited community. A strong community is the lifeblood of a memecoin. Check their social media engagement. Are people just spamming emojis, or are they creating content, sharing ideas, and genuinely promoting the coin? A strong, organic buzz is a huge green flag. Now, spotting a trend is one thing, but acting on it fast is another. In the memecoin world, speed is everything. A coin can pump and dump before you've even finished your morning coffee. This is where automation becomes your secret weapon. Manually tracking every new coin launch, every liquidity pool, and every price movement is nearly impossible. That's why many top traders use tools to get an edge. For instance, a tool like the Axiom bot can be a game changer. It automates the process of finding new opportunities. You can set it up to scan for newly launched tokens on decentralized exchanges. Filter them based on criteria like initial liquidity or token holder count, and even automate your buys and sells. Imagine being able to get into a coin seconds after it launches, before the massive public wave even arrives. This isn't just about convenience. It's a strategic advantage that lets you act on information faster than the rest of the market. It helps you snipe those early entries that are crucial for massive gains. But let's be real. With high rewards come high risks. Not every coin is a winner. In fact, most aren't. This is why risk management is non-negotiable. The golden rule is simple. Never invest more than you are willing to lose. It's tempting to go all in when you see a coin up 1,000%, but chasing pumps is a recipe for disaster. Set clear profit targets and stop losses. If a coin hits your target, take some profits off the table. Don't get greedy. Similarly, if a trade goes against you, have a clear exit point to cut your losses. Emotion is your enemy here. Stick to your plan. Timing your exit is just as important as your entry. How do you know when to sell? Watch the volume and the social chatter. If you see trading volume starting to drop off or the social media hype begins to fade, it might be a sign that the momentum is dying. Remember, in the memecoin market, attention is the most valuable asset. Once it's gone, the price often follows. Selling in stages can also be a smart strategy. Sell a portion when you double your investment, another portion at 5x, and let the rest ride. This way, you lock in profits while still having a chance to catch a legendary moon. Becoming a meme hero isn't a get-rich-quick guarantee. It requires research, strategy, the right tools, and a bit of courage. It's about being smart, being fast, and managing your risk like a pro. Use automation, like the Axiom bot, to find opportunities and execute trades. With speed, stay active in the communities, keep your finger on the pulse of the market, and always trade responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto. Let me know your biggest memecoin win or loss in the comments below. See you in the next video.